Hello, this is Elsa, your 14CS208, and this is my database experiment number 6, which is to connect my Java application to my database. For first connecting, I will copy my JDBC jar file to my Java application folder. In the services, I have my JDBC jar file, and then for connecting, First in my program, I am using a try catch block for if any exception occur for catching that. And then for connecting my database to my Java application, I use the statement oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle.driver, and then this is a statement for executing the query. In this, here I give my system username and the password of my Oracle database, and then I am using a menu for first inserting the new order, then modify the order details, deleting a record from the order table, and then search the supply details based on the product ID. Then I am using a scanner class. A scanner class is used to get the values from the user. Then I am using a switch case. In the switch case, first my case is to inserting a value. For inserting a value, I am getting the values of order ID, order date, and customer ID from the user, and then I am using an SQL statement that is insert to order table, then the values, order ID, order date, and customer ID. This will insert the values of the order ID, customer ID, and order date to my order tables order table, and then after that this is a statement for executing the SQL statement, and after the successful insertion, this will one row is this will display, and next is my statement for modification of my row. For modification, first they will ask what I have to update. If I have to update order date, customer ID, or the order ID, then if I display the order ID, then I have to display the update to what value I have, and then I have to display the condition, that is condition which I have to modify it. Then the SQL statement for this is update table name, and then the values, and then my SQL statement for the executing, that is stmt.execute update.sql, and then if it is successful, it will display the row is modified. And then for deleting a row, my select it will display what is my condition. I will display my if what I have to display, if my order ID and all. And after that, the SQL statement for that is delete from table, and then the SQL statement for the executing this, and if it's successfully executed, it will display. And then for searching a row based on the product ID, the SQL statement is this: select ID, name, and gender from the supplier table. And then the SQL statement for this is if this, and it's stored in RS. Then first I will enter the product ID, and it will check in the database, and the display its supplier ID, name, gender from the supplier table. Then I will close my connection, and the exception I will close. And after that, and this is the state when I run my program. First I have to insert a new order. For inserting, first I am inserting a new order ID, that is 117, and after that I have to write the order date 01 November 15 16, and customer ID is 2 I am given, and my row is successfully inserted. And then I have to display the modify option. For displaying the modify option, I have to specify what I have to modify. This I have to modify my order ID, So order ID, then I have updating to the earlier I have given 117, so now I am updating it to 118. Then the condition where order ID equal to 117. The row is modified, and then for the next one I have to delete my row. For deleting a row, the condition I am specifying where my order ID equal to 118, the row is deleted. Thank you so much for watching.